I've called this private meeting today because there is a imposter among us. There's an imposter among us.
So it appears that we do indeed have an imposter among us. It also appears that I might be beheaded for this joke, but whatever. This is less of a news video and more of just me pointing something out. There is a YouTube channel that claims to be Mr. Banshee's third channel, yet all it is 360p uploads of blank Banshee videos. It has been inactive for almost a year now, and I wouldn't be mentioning it if it wasn't for that they re-upped a video from BBC ORD without the person's permission supposedly. Just to let you all know, this channel is not the real blank Banshee. Pat would never do this. Report this channel to make sure it gets deleted, and Pat's music and content can keep from being stolen. Also, don't harass this channel, just report. I don't want to start any drama, so just report the channel. Please. Thank you.